In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on your Kia Sorento, located behind the glove box. Let's get started. Moving to the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to locate the glove box. We're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to start by unclipping this little rod right here. And to do so, all we need to do is push down. And as we push down on this, we're going to pull just like that and just move it to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and remove both of these clips. There's one located on each side. And to remove those, we can simply grab it and twist. Just like that. We're going to do the same on this side. Simply grab it and twist and pull it out. There's going to be two plastic clips, one on each side. Using a little pry bar or a little pry tool, we're going to go ahead and pull those out. Simply slide it out. They look like this. It goes this way and this one goes this way. Now we're going to do the same on this side. We're going to go ahead using the same tool, simply grab it and pry it out. And once you do that, you can go ahead and move the glove box out of the way. Now that we have the glove box out of the way, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel. And for that, it's only held by clips. Simply grab it in a corner and pull down. Do the same on this side. Once you have it, you slide it out of the way. With that cover out of the way, we can go ahead and remove our blower motor. We're going to start by unplugging it. Simply squeeze on the tab and pull the connector out, just like that. When you do so, just move it out of the way. So when we remove it, it won't get caught. Now we're going to have 3 number 2 Phillips head screws around the blower motor. Go ahead and remove those. Once you have those out of the way, simply grab the motor and pull it out. Now we can go ahead and install the new one. Line it up. Once you have it lined up, push it in. You can go ahead and start this one bolt by hand, so it holds it in place. While holding on it, you can go ahead and tighten it. And now we can install the other 2. Now we can go ahead and snug them up. Once you have those tightened, you're going to go ahead and plug it in. And now we can go ahead and install the cover back up. Now we can go ahead and install the bottom cover. What we're gonna do, we're gonna line up the rear first and then push up on it. So lined up the rear with the holes. Once you have it lined up, simply push up and listen for clicks, just like that. Now we can go ahead and install the glove box. We're gonna start at the bottom by lining up those pins that we removed earlier. Simply line it up, push it in. Make sure it clips into place and do the same on the other side. Now we can install these on both sides. Simply go up, line up the hole, and twist them into place. Do the same on the other side. And now we can go ahead and install the rod. Simply line it up with the hole and push it in. Now you can close the glove box, and that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.